Charis.
Sino ba?
Yeah.
Fernando, this is Jay Pamado naman. I'd like to ask, what motivates you to partner with Miss Universe Philippines and what can we expect in this partnership?
So we are very actually excited partnering with Miss Universe, and finally we sealed the deal today, and it's because we want to raise more awareness for the womanhood and the disorders, the experiences that we are struggling with, and this is the best platform that we can have in an entire Philippines. And I'm very happy that finally we are speaking up about womanhood struggles, and together with the beautiful girls around me, I feel so empowered, and this is going to be a start of an advocacy that we are women and we have the rights, we have the advocacies, and of course we want to be heard. Oh, Miss Universe yun ah.
Miss Jonah, what is it in the inositol that can help the hormonal imbalance of women?
Yes, that's a good question. Well, the new moon hormone balance is made with bio-inositol, e-carryoinositol, and folic acid. And inositol is known to eat up extra sugar in our blood, hence making our mood more energized, our sleep better, our hormones regulated, and also our reproductive system better. So this is a very important part in our body that depleted through time as we age, and also the external factors or the stressors that we are having. That's why hormone balance is here to address all hormonal imbalances of our body, regardless of the gender.
Miss Jonah, in observance of Women's Month, okay, can any of the Miss Universe Philippines candidate or women in general take New Moon supplement alongside with their current wellness and beauty regimen, or do you have any medication?
Yes. So the new moon hormone balance fall under a supplement niche. So this is just a supplement, a support for the hormone, and also to regulate also our hormones. So to answer that question, yes, it can be taken with vitamin C or any other multivitamins that they are taking.
Miss Jonah, how would this be taken? Would this be taken once a day, twice a day, with
Okay.
food, with water?
Yes. Yes, so we are advising 1 to 2 capsules a day, one at morning, one at night, so that you can have a good sleep, and as well you can have a good energy in the morning.
Miss Luna, I've been on HRT, hormone replacement therapy, for 6 years, taking progesterone and estradiol.
Yes.
So does it also help with my hormone replacement therapy as a transgender woman?
Yes, it supports. It actually aligns with the HRT, with the treatment, because it actually aligns with a hormonal imbalance. Because usually when we take the HRT, we are experiencing hormonal imbalance. That's why our trans sister, trans friends experiencing headache or stress. So this hormonal imbalance supplement, which is the hormone balance, helps actually our transgender community to have a better self.
Miss Jonah, can this be bought over the counter?
Oh, well, this is available in TikTok, Lazada, and Shopee. We are going in Watsons this year. That's our plan.
But not yet on
Drugstores po.
not yet on drugstores.
It's not yet available because our main platform is digital e-commerce, which is TikTok. So they can order in our TikTok, Lazada, or Shopee. New Moon PH.
Congratulations on your collaboration with Miss Universe Philippines.
Thank you.
Are you also gonna choose this New Moon? And if yes, what criteria are you looking for the next?
Alam mo how I wish that I will not choose. Kasi it's very, like seeing them personally today, ang hirap. And I was thankful that I am not one of the judge. Kasi ang hirap, like everyone is beautiful, everyone has their own beauty. And yes, to answer that question, yes, we will choose. But it's better to have like the same advocacy as we have, since we want to start a conversation that is not being heard throughout those years.
Last one, message for all the women around the world po experiencing
hormonal imbalance, your message.
Yeah, so for all the women who are experiencing hormonal imbalance throughout the world, you are not alone. We are with you and we are going to have more awareness about it and we are going to be heard throughout the universe. And right now we are starting and we are very happy to have it this way. Thank you.